Okay, so Miss Natasha, you just finished all of your training. I'm going to release the balloons and the confetti. I'm so excited for you. So you're 100% done. Now you get all of your credentials, your clear card, everything. Tell me what was the hardest part and what do you look forward to?
Um, so the hardest part, I guess, what I would say is like getting it all done. Trying to like fit everything into my busy life and like make time for it. That was like the hardest part. Everything else is explained very well. So it's easy to go through once you like have time to sit down and actually do it.
I love that. Okay, so what are you excited for the most?
I'm excited for, well, I'm booking a trip right now on a Carnival cruise, and I have about 30 people that are going. So I'm really excited about that. Like, that's my excitement right now.
I'm excited for. And then last question, what was your experience working with us and being a travel agent with us and being able to work
Oh,
directly with me?
oh, it's been awesome. You're always helpful. You be answering my phone calls. I'm like,
Listen, all the time.
hang on, I need some help.
Listen, that's what we're here for. So I just want to say congratulations, and I'm super proud of you. You know how to do everything. Like with any of my agents that I train, I feel comfortable now sending my clients to you in the case that I can't do something. So I just want to say congratulations and thank you so much for choosing Mommy and We Travels.
Of course, I sought you out. So,
All right, well, thank you so much. You got any other questions, Miss Natasha?
not right now.
All
I'm
right,
gonna call you.
all right, all right. I'll talk to you soon. Okay.
All right, talk to you soon.